Experts explain that mental wellness is a dynamic system shaped by biology, environment, relationships, and daily choices. In a candid interview, a clinician outlines practical foundations like sleep, stress management, and compassionate self-talk. Personal stories reveal small shifts such as breathing during commutes, journaling, or weekly calls with a friend that boost resilience. Different practices are highlighted through expert insights, including cognitive reframing, mindfulness, physical activity, community support, and professional care when needed. The video closes with actionable tips and encouragement to experiment kindly, track changes, and seek help without hesitation.